Hello everyone. Is 5G not showing on your Android phone even though your device supports 5G? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you simple and effective ways to fix the hidden 5G not showing issue step by step. Step 1. Check 5G support and coverage. First, make sure your phone actually supports 5G and that 5G is available in your area. Some phones are 5G capable, but 5G only works in spotted locations. If the signal is weak, your phone may stay on 4G or LTE. Step 2. Enable 5G from network settings. Now open settings, network and internet, mobile network. Tap preferred network type and select 5G, LTE, 4G auto. If it's set to only 4G or LTE, the 5G options will remain hidden. Step 3. Turn airplane mode on and off. Next, turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds, then turn it off. This refreshes your network connection and often makes the 5G option appear. Step 4. Update your phone software. Now check for a software update. Go to Settings, Software Update, and install any available updates. Outdated software can hide or disable 5G settings on Android phones. Step 5. Check SIM and carrier support. Make sure your SIM card supports 5G and your carrier has enabled 5G on your number. In some cases, you may need a 5G SIM or a carrier update to activate 5G. Step 6. Reset network setting. If 5G is still not showing, reset your network settings. Go to Settings, System, Reset Options, Reset Wi-Fi Mobile and Bluetooth. This won't delete your data, but it can fix hidden network issues. And that's it. Try this step and the hidden 5G options should start showing on your Android phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.